Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis, August 13th kana analysis. So index Nifty, Bank Nifty followed by Fin Nifty. Market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base vachida everyday live trading session. We are doing an analysis for market profile, learning for index, stock and commodity market as well. So market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will tell you clearly what are the things that is creating that market is creating for resistance. So அப்படி வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா today's market, that is especially Nifty வந்து perfectly got rejected on selling excess. So Nifty perfectly rejected on selling excess. So இது வந்து டீடைலா இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்ப்போம். Before that, this is a market profile learning. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment. This is purely for education purpose. So index பாத்தீங்கன்னா before getting into index, global markets எல்லாமே வந்து பாசிட்டிவா, அதாவது flattish-ஆ இருக்காங்க. So again வந்து getting into the today's part of Nifty. So Nifty வந்து இன்னைக்கு PPOC ஓட belowல தாங்க open ஆயிருக்காங்க. Market was open below the level of 24,400. So last day of POC, PPOC ல தான் market was open below. And then onwards market tried to take a support at 24,300, which we very well know this was a good level of minor level of ஒரு support system நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், which act at the level of 24,300 to 350. So Nifty today perfectly took support at the level 24,300 to 350, which we also referred yesterday. நம்ம நேத்தும் வந்து இந்த level பார்த்திருந்தோம் because last day ஓட support system worked very well today. And market on live trading session also we were looking for the IB extension. So if you see today Bank Nifty was the first to give the IB extension because of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was super bullish today. Again பாத்தீங்கன்னா Fin Nifty again followed Bank Nifty, நல்ல ஒரு IB extension கொடுத்தாங்க. So Nifty on top of it, it is holding for a longer time, that is especially on C period. So it was holding for a longer time inside the IB, and then finally Nifty also broken outside. So IB oda extension வந்து provide பண்ணாங்க. B, C, D, E clear OTF buyers in Nifty. So yesterday there was no clear breakout. IB oda breakout was not happen. Even a small tail வந்து கீழ இருந்தாலுமே it was not a proper breakout, forming a balanced market அப்படின்னு பார்த்திருந்தோம். PPOC rejection இருந்தது. So market took a first level of support itself 24,300, which we expected as a minor level of support previous times based on the last day activity. So market perfectly took support and then it got reversed with the OTF buyers, and market exactly got rejected at the selling axis because last day வந்து clear பண்ணி market was almost வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா POC buildum பாத்தீங்கன்னா மேல தான் build பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So today's Nifty oda POC was above, but if you see it as a contra closing was below. So the POC வந்து almost பாத்தீங்கன்னா last வந்து right from 5th of August ல the POC keep on increasing, but today POC is the highest of all the dates பாத்தீங்கன்னா right from 5th of August. Market வந்து இந்த லெவல்ல POC top building கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, that is exactly at 24,450 above. But if you see the closing was almost down because it could not have the pressure to sustain the selling excess part. So the selling excess, the sellers always will be sitting in the excess. So that is a very that is every time we are discussing in the live trading session. இன்னைக்கோ வந்து Nifty வந்து breakout ஆகும்போதும் we have been consistently seeing Bank Nifty breakout ஆகும்போதும் and Fin Nifty breakout ஆகும்போதும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா every time near to the resistance வரும்போது, especially near to the selling zone வரும்போது, selling excess கிட்ட வரும்போது we have been looking for the resistance அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So exactly market accepted this level again as resistance today. So if you see open is equal to high and then selling excess, a long tail has been placed on 5th of August. On continuity market was accepted to treat the level as resistance. So இவ்ளோ நாளுமே market was below the zone. So market is having the balanced creation எல்லாமே வந்து below the excess தான் இருந்தது. So once market was giving an IB extension, POC on top, so again வந்து selling zone உங்களால வந்து cross பண்ண முடியல. Perfect resistance we also seen in live trading session, that is 24,500 above is a perfect resistance for Nifty again. So based on today's market வந்து if at all So if at all market starts from today's POC, that is 24,450, then obviously 24,500 and 550 could be the very good level of resistance. So market வந்து அந்த level இன்னும் cross பண்ணல. This is going to be the first and the important level of resistance. On above this level definitely வந்து there is a gap. So gap between 550 to 650 again. So this gap is going to be the next level of resistance zone, because market should clear the 550 zone. On top of it, it is again Nifty is having a gap of 24,550 to 24,650, 100 points. So obviously this also will be treated as, the gap will also be treated as a resistance, and once if it enters the gap, then it try to complete the gap as soon as possible. So adu வந்து provided how the selling excess is to be cleared on the next working day, that is to be continued. அந்த வந்து selling excess வந்து அவங்க வந்து clear பண்ணனும். Unless and until the selling excess cleared, obviously this portion itself a resistance, that is 24,500 onwards, a clear resistance for Nifty. So in case market வந்து இந்த லெவல்ல இருந்து கீழ வராங்க அப்படினா, that is on today's POC, or market open somewhere else here itself, that is closing கிட்ட open ஆகுறாங்கன்னா, then today's POC, that is 24,460 to 500 itself is a resistance for Nifty based on today's POC level. If at all market open below the POC of today, that is 24,450 க்கு கீழ market open ஆகுறாங்கன்னா, then obviously the 2 days support system, which we know that is 24,300, could be the best or the minor level of support system for Nifty. So first immediate support system for Nifty, and this was the last 2 days of support, as well as if you see the resistance for the previous day also. So 24,300 could be the best level to see whether any kind of support system they could find in 24,300 zone. If not, obviously 24,200. So many times Nifty created peacock on this level, and also recent times, that is on 8th of August, again a peacock has been created on the level of 24,200, which could be the best level to see the Nifty support system, because after this market was trying to hold the 24,300. It has pushed the buyers to the 24,300, which says this peacock is a very good level of buying zone. So this buying zone வந்து கண்டிப்பா ஒரு buying support இருக்கா அப்படின்றத நம்ம check பண்ணலாம், because obviously 24,200 last time in Nifty also acted that level very well. Again வந்து on crossing this level, Nifty is having a level of support system at 2400, which we obviously know, and then 24,000 to 23,950 onwards. So anywhere Nifty could find a support, and the best support is 24,000. So Nifty so far is holding the level of 23,900 to 24,000 so many times, even after a fall. So consistent in the level வந்து அவங்க hold பண்றாங்க. So this is going to be the best support of reference பாத்தீங்கன்னா 23,950 to 24,000. So this is all about Nifty on downside, and on upside they should clear immediate resistance of today plus a gap of previous times. And also if you see, there is a clear peacock rejection. Above that there are many there are high level of resistance again, but to clear the immediate resistance, Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே above this 24,800 is going to be the POC rejection. So obviously this is going to be the one of the good level of resistance for Nifty. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு லைவ் மார்க்கெட்ல நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். எக்ஸாக்ட்டா வந்து இன்னைக்கு IB ஓட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் நல்லா ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணாங்க, HDFC Bank on top of it. So today first half is a banking day மாதிரி எல்லா பேங்க்ஸுமே நல்ல private banks, especially HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank was super, providing IB extension for நல்ல IB levels extension provide பண்ணாங்க. HDFC almost 3 level of range extension completed, and Axis Bank more than 2 levels completed. And then if you see ICICI, so எல்லா பேங்க்ஸுமே இன்னைக்கு வந்து சப்போர்ட் சிஸ்டம் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. If you see more than நல்ல ஒரு சிங்கிள் பிரிண்ட் ஜோனும் கிரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ICICI provided a V-shape recovery, and then HDFC Bank was top of it. So almost பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3 level of range extension completed. So 1670 almost அந்த target வந்து reach பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் market was closed below. But again every banks are, So every banks are bullish. So private banks especially நல்ல ஒரு bullish கொடுத்தாங்க. So bank nifty was trying to break the IB level, small IB. நல்ல ஒரு first time பாத்தீங்கன்னா compared to nifty, bank nifty and fin nifty IB extension வந்து provide பண்ணாங்க, and then it was followed by nifty again. So IB ஓட extension வந்து provide பண்ணாங்க. If you see this period, that is especially bank nifty வந்து AB poor low on PPOC they have placed. So market opened below the PPOC of yesterday and took a PPOC support of previous times. That is the reason this PPOC has been created so far. And then what happens, volume factor also associated with this level. So yesterday also we see that 5300 could be the better zone of support இருக்கும் அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market exactly took this level as a support and created as AB polo, and then onwards what happened, A, B, C, D, E, clear OTF. So OTF buyers வந்து கண்டினியூவா வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல இருந்திருக்காங்க. So that is the reason வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா IB ஓட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷனும் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணாங்க. From 5300 till பாத்தீங்கன்னா market was 5900 above வரையுமே market was consistently having OTF buyers. And if you see the last 30 minutes, the C period 30 minutes itself பாத்தீங்கன்னா 5400 450 ல இருந்து market went till 5870. Almost in the candle it was very big. That is the IB extension time வந்து, especially C period was totally, it was broken everything, and the PPOC and IB ஓட extension provide பண்ணாங்க. It was super bullish because every private banks like Axis Bank இருக்கட்டும், and then Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank was super bullish today. ICICI was reversal. So எல்லாமே வந்து நல்ல ஒரு ICICI வந்து first beginningல கீழ வந்தாங்க, and then was complete reversal on upside. So everything was bullish இருக்கும்போது bank nifty broken everything, each and every resistance, and then the immediate resistance of selling excess has been cleared, that is 50,800. And also here the immediate resistance which we also seen in the previous videos la paathirundom, 5th of August. So market exactly found a stop here. If you see here, this was the selling excess on 5th of August created. So இந்த இடத்துல தான் perfect அவங்க வந்து stop பண்ணிருக்காங்க, stop action பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So that is why if you, this kind of market profile analysis will tell you very clearly, like this is a selling zone, this is a buying zone. So PPOC பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம வந்து previous timesல we have taken as a support. It worked very well as AB power low, and then OTF buyers have come. So everything was along with single print confirmation. So everything was super bullish today. So if you see the excess, again this is a resistance zone அப்படின்றத வந்து lively நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். So we have been telling continuously like market clear this excess and it's one more excess, so this could be a resistance zone அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். And in spite of that market அந்த இடத்துக்கு வந்தாங்க. Perfectா what happened, market took a resistance there. So it was almost a resistance of 51,000, which is a psychological number, plus the selling excess of the 5th of August. So if you see the last 4 days, it was an inside market of 5th of August. So 5th of August என்ன create பண்ணாங்களோ அந்த market குள்ள தான், அந்த range குள்ள தான் last 4 to 5 days, and next 4 to 5 days was holding. So this is because on 5th of August whatever the range has been created, that is between 49,900 to 51,000 almost, and the range kulla the market was so far acting. But now today what happened, they hit on the, they was almost touched the excess, that is selling excess of 51,000. So this was the resistance today. Even the sellers are available today அப்படின்றத வந்து confirm பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market is having a single print again. So tomorrow வந்து market வந்து இந்த லெவல்ல இருந்து வராங்க அப்படினா, that is on top POC தான் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Everyday பாத்தீங்கன்னா they are having a consistent improvement in POC. So POC யும் சரி, closing யும் சரி, each and every day they are having a high close. So if at all market starts from 5800, obviously 51,000 today's resistance plus previous times selling excess form. So this was one of the main important resistance for Bank Nifty. If at all Bank Nifty crossed this level 51,000, then there is a gap, right? There is a gap between the points 51,130. So almost பாத்தீங்கன்னா 51,200 will be a resistance point, and 51,000 and then 51,200 and obviously 51,400 and then 51,600. These are the resistance for Bank Nifty upside. So 51,600 is obviously a POC rejection, and 51,400 where we can have this and if you see 51,100. So these are the 100 to 200, there is a clear resistance. So every resistance will play a major role. So Bank Nifty on the clear on the gap touch பண்ணும்போது it got failed and the gap plus selling excess along with that pathina the selling excess and then gap. So everything played a major role. So in the ரெண்டுமே clear பண்ணனும். On top of it price acceptance is definitely required above 51,200 and then 51,400 and then 51,600. These are the strong resistance for Bank Nifty. So in case on downside, if the Bank Nifty comes below, that is below POC 5800 க்கு கீழ மார்க்கெட் வராங்க அப்படினா then obviously the single print zone 5600 could be the first checkpoint to find any kind of support system here. So below 5600 obviously 5300 which is the most important support last few days oda PPOC அங்க create பண்ணிருக்காங்க and then if you see the AB poor low which is a support system for today and volume factor also associated with that level. So 5300 could be the best point to see whether Bank Nifty could find any kind of support. If not then obviously this 50,000. So 50,000 to 49,900 anywhere Bank Nifty could take a support and obviously this is an all time ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு support system find பண்ணது பாத்தீங்கன்னா 49,800. So 49,800 could be the best support because after that only market got perfectly reversed. So 49,800 and then 49,900 to 50,000 and the immediate zone is 5300 and 5600. So these are the support system for Bank Nifty. So moving on to Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was like Bank Nifty PPOC rejection வந்து market வந்து கீழ தான் open ஆனாங்க and then what happened market IB ஓட extension வந்து நல்லா provide பண்ணாங்க. C period was too good. நல்லா IB ஓட breakout வந்து B C D E clear OTF bias and if you see it was perfectly struck on the selling excess. So selling excess is the main reason for both Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty. On August 5th create பண்ண ஒரு single selling tail தான் வந்து it was perfectly getting rejected. Even today it is saying like the sellers are available in the zone. So market வந்து இந்த இடத்துலயும் வந்து selling வந்து face பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Even after so bullish single prints எல்லாம் create பண்ணாலுமே market was perfectly telling that market profile especially வந்து உங்களுக்கு perfectா வந்து இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு conviction கொடுக்கறாங்க selling excess maintain பண்றாங்க அப்படினு. So perfectா it got rejected today. So this how the market profile will tell the things. Actually it is more of like hints, it is more of like dot joints. நம்ம வந்து everything we have to form an analysis. So here in Fin Nifty both in Bank Nifty சரி நம்மளுக்கு வந்து selling excess was telling very clearly like there are sellers available in the zone. So that is why market is not allowing to go even if they are bullish, even if they are OTF buyers, the sellers are stronger in the zone. That is why market is getting stopped exactly at that level, that is 23,200. If at all market continued with the POC level, that is 23,150, then 23,200 itself is a clear resistance and on top of it definitely or price acceptance is required. And Fin Nifty is having a gap between 23,200 to 23,300 which is the previous gaps. So 100 points க்கு ஒரு gap இருக்கு and on top of it definitely ஒரு price acceptance is required. So 23,200 is the immediate resistance and 23,300 is the next immediate resistance which fills the gap and then 23,500 is the super POC rejection for Fin Nifty. So these are the immediate zone of resistance for Fin Nifty and also if you see on downside 2300 க்கு கீழ 150 க்கு கீழ மார்க்கெட் வராங்க அப்படினா then obviously 23,000 is a psychological number, that is a important level of minor level of support system ஒரு find பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. If not 22,900 because it was the PPOC zone 860 to 900 anywhere ஏனா அந்த level of PPOC தான் வந்து was acted as a good support for the next 2 days. So this PPOC is important 22,870 to 900 and obviously 22,700 to 750. Anywhere market could take a support because it was a previous time support which Fin Nifty has taken. So these are the immediate support system for Fin Nifty as well. So let's track the market in live tomorrow also. So நாளைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே வந்து கேப்ல தான் வந்து பர்ஃபெக்ட்டா ரிஜெக்ட் ஆயிருக்காங்க. ஸோ கேப் உள்ள என்டர் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த கேப்பே ஒரு ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸாக தான் இன்னைக்கு ட்ரீட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ வில் see how market looks tomorrow. So thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Kindly do your analysis, and if you like the analysis, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel so that it can also go to the next person. Thank you so much.